Welcome my viewers to the Magic Behind channel. This is the channel where we teach you about electronics components and how to use those components to make working circuits. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a sample traffic light controller for pedestrians. Before we move ahead, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. You will require a piece of plywood, light emitting diodes. On top here I have red LEDs, and on this one has green. Red means stop and green means move or go. You'll also require jumper wires, a drill to make holes on the plywood. You'll also need a solder, AC to DC rectifier. I've shown you how to make one in my previous videos. A screwdriver, a nail cutter, or any other better tool you have for trimming wrong leads, soldering iron, and a chaser. In my previous videos, I've shown you how to make 7 channels LED chaser. This one is a 7 channels, but I'm just using, I'll use 2 in today's video. I'll use 2 channels, that is. I have 2 channels on this traffic light controller for pedestrians, and each channel has 45 LEDs. If you have more than one channel, you need to ensure that each channel have the same number of LEDs. On this one here, if you count the LEDs on this front side, you'll find I have only 43 LEDs. On this one, if you count on this side, you'll find I have 42 LEDs. For you to make them 45, you'll have to hide some LEDs at the back. As you can see here, I have added 3 LEDs to make this channel have 45. Here I have hidden 2, this one and this one, to make this channel have 45 LEDs. The reason why I have added those LEDs at the back is that when I did the sketch, first, then I inserted the LEDs, and I found that these ones were coming to 42 and these one were coming to 43. So I had to do some decisions, because each channel, the LEDs of each channel must also be divisible by either 3, 4, or 2. I looked at the number which is near there, and I decided to make them 45, because this had 43. You cannot remove any LED from here, because it will not, according to a sketch, it may not look very smart when you remove. So I decided, even you, when you are trying, you need, or you have to add some LEDs at the back. I have sticked them here using a glue gun. This one, it uses a glue stick which gets inside, it gets melted, and it comes out as a hot, thick glue, and you can stick LEDs with it. I have also used it to stick these pieces of circuit board on this plywood. This is the arrangement of the LEDs on my plywood. These are 45 LEDs. First, you have to arrange them in series. 3 LEDs in series, 3, 3, 3, all the way up to 45. You can shape anything. As you can see here, we have drawn a sketch of a human being. You can just draw anything using LEDs. Any shape, any animal, a tree, a flower, you can sketch that and make those using LEDs. After that, after you have arranged them in series 3333, you need to connect them in parallel. You connect all the cathodes together and you connect all the anodes together. These are anodes, these are cathodes. The same case with your second channel. Anodes and cathodes. After you have done that, we are going to use only two channels. We are going to use this terminal and this terminal here. So all the anodes of one channel, you bring them and you connect them to one of the output terminals. Then the second channel, all the anodes, you bring a wire, you connect them to the second output terminal. But for the cathodes, you need to join the cathodes of first channel, you connect them to the cathodes of the second channel, then that connection, you bring it here. This is the negative output terminal from the chaser. And as you can see, this is what I've done on my board. All the anodes, I've connected them using this yellow wire, and I've brought them here to that terminal. Now this wire white is the one which will go to the chaser. On my second channel, all the anodes I've connected them. I have connected them using this yellow wire up to that terminal. This wire white is the one going to the chaser. For the cathodes, I've started connecting here with using this black wire coming all the way up to the end of the first or second channel, then coming to the next channel all the way up to here, to this terminal. This black wire is the one going to the chaser. I now want to connect this arrangement back to the chaser. We put to power and we test whether it's working. I have connected back our circuit to power, and as you can see, it is working. You can adjust the speed of the flashing by using a screwdriver. You insert it on the variable resistor and you tune either clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can see that speed is high. You can even throw it down. You may ask why I have used 3 ceramic capacitors here. This ceramic capacitor, I've used 3 to make the delay when this channel writes, that light remains on for long than when you are using just a single ceramic capacitor. I'll teach you more about this in my coming videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Share it with friends whom you think may be interested. On the comment section below, ask me any question in regard to this circuit and in regard to my previous videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.